Hello friends, let us now learn some important pictures of aneurysm. So if you see, these two are the kidneys, this is the abdominal aorta. So this is the dilated part of abdominal aorta. This can occur due to atherosclerosis involving the intima, and media will slowly weaken the wall of the artery, resulting in formation of an aneurysm. So this is the picture showing aortic aneurysm. So now this is the next picture. Even this picture is also showing an aortic aneurysm. And what is this? This is the mural thrombus which is seen here. This is the mural thrombus and it is the opened part of aortic aneurysm. In the lumen of the aortic aneurysm looks like this, which is dilated. Okay. And if you see, there is some hemorrhagic plaques are also seen in this aortic aneurysm. This is the CT scan of the abdomen at the level of, you can see the kidneys here, right? So here if you see, this is the abdominal aorta. Yes, this is the abdominal aorta, and you can see how dilated, how much dilated it is. It is very big, dilated, and this is the blood which is flowing because it is in bright colored contrast. So this is the blood, but here this is the grayish area which you can see here. This is actually the thrombus which you can see. So this is the picture showing again aneurysm with a thrombus. Okay, right. So these are the pictures which are important in aortic aneurysm. Thank you for watching.